once again, thank you very much, sponsors! Palakpakan natin natin mga sponsors! Thank you, sirs, ma'ams. Thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, kahit na halimbawa, ganito ha, makinig po kayo. Kung sinong palarin at hindi palarin, pantay-pantay, papalakpakan natin sila. Everybody,